あいつらもバジラと似たようなもんだろ。ベルサ終わりだ。反撃の隙合か与えるかよ。
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Boon's Plamo channel. And this is Avery, my AI assistant.
Virtual assistant active.
I feel excited to share the review for this HG YF-29 Durandal Valkyrie. Today, maybe it is bad, maybe it is good. Let's check it out.
The YF-29 Durandal Valkyrie was engineered for the Vajra War, a sibling to the VF-25 Messiah, but its design prioritized enhanced speed and combat prowess. Therefore, it became Alto Custom's primary variable fighter in Macross Frontier tilde Sayonara no Tsubasa tilde. The machine's purpose was singular, to combat the Vajra threat.
Released in August 2023, the HG version of Alto Custom's YF-29 Durandal Valkyrie highlight its simplified shortcut change transformation. It also boasts impressive color, separation, and details features, making it a standout in HG product line. The manual clear. There's nothing to complain about.
"13 runners and 1 sticker, including display base." Price, 4,400 yen.
4,400 yen. With that price, I could buy 2 boxes of HG Regel.
The RGZ-95 RZEL and this model are distinct products with differing manufacturing costs and specifications.
Specifications? It means the extra runner that barely add any detail. I'm not buying it every.
Variations in design complexity and part count are reflected in the final retail price.
Okay, every. I give you that one. But if this thing doesn't build itself, I'm blaming you.
Model assembly is a user-dependent process. No guarantees are implied.
Building it took around 5 hours. I was really thrilled and shocked by all the little details on the model. But man, I lost both ears in the cafe. Sometimes, things happen.
Assembly time, 5 hours. Lost 2 ear parts. A cafe is not a suitable assembly area.
Clearly, the model's ears were designed to be free spirits. It just couldn't handle being confined to a head. But ignoring the runaway ears, it's a solid kit. It's finished. Many of the details can be reproduced with stickers, but if you want the perfect look, you can't skip the painting step of the HG product.
Accessories and manipulator. Gun pod. Shield. Knife. Landing gear, 1 set. Fighter form reproduction parts, 1 set. Joint parts, 1 set. Hand parts, 1 set. Base for display. Weight, for Batroid 70 grams. Weight, for fighter mode 63 grams. Height for Batroid, 16 centimeters.
So, head movements, average, Shoulder go past 90. Elbow are decent. Legs are stiff. Knees are barely there. But the waist is excellent. Sound like it's a mixed bag to me. What's your takes on this, Avery?
Articulation analysis. Head movement within standard HG parameters. Shoulder articulation exceeds expected range. Elbow articulation adequate. Leg articulation restricted. Knee articulation within acceptable limits. Waist articulation exceptional.
Acceptable limits, decent elbows. Are we breathing on a curve here? I mean, the shoulders are great, but the legs are practically glued together.
Articulation variances are inherent in model design. Each joint is engineered to specific tolerances. The waist articulation compensates for limitations in lower extremities.
Compensate? Sound like they are just give up on the legs and threw in extra waist joint to distract us.
Model's center of gravity and joint rigidity may necessitate minor adjustments. The waist articulation allows for dynamic poses, mitigating leg articulation limitations.
Dynamic poses with legs that can't even kick? Right, I'm sure the poses are thrilling.
Dynamic poses are achievable within the model's articulation parameters. User creativity is encouraged.
User creativity? You mean pretend the legs move creativity? Got it.
Model's design encourages user-defined pose interpretation.
The model is generally sturdy, and parts don't easily fall off. It can even stand steadily on one leg.
Stability assessment concluded. Transitioning to next evaluation criteria.
For transformation, use short parts. Like they said, it took me, a newbie, 5 to 10 minutes to finish the transformation. Since you are replacing parts, they might wear out if you do it a lot. You should be gentle when transforming it.
Transformation process involves part swapping. Potential for wear due to frequent transformation cycles. User handling should be performed with care.
That's all for today. On the scale of 0 to 10, how would you rate this kit? Please leave a comment below. Please click like, subscribe and share this video. It means a lot to us.
Inform prospective buyers via sharing.
Thanks for watching.